So to replace the fuel filter, so you come here to remove this cover off, and you disconnect this fuse. Fuse will be here. This fuse for the fuel pump, and I disconnect the fuel pump relay. So the fuse and the fuel pump relay. So the fuel filter will be on the driver's side on the frame. So you check the frame, inside the frame will be on the driver's side. And you need to hold this nut and lose this. This will be 5/8, and you have another one on this side too. So you hold this down and you lose this, and you do the same thing here. So you just hold this down and you lose it, and you make sure you have a drain pan ready. It will start dripping. So it will take a while for it to drain. So maybe give it 10 minutes to finish. The fuel will be finished dripping. So you just disconnect both ends, and this should come out. So you can remove this bracket if you, but mine broke. I want to remove it. I take these two off. So this new fuel filter, you need to check the flow. So going this way from the fuel pump. So this is the front of the vehicle. You make sure the flow will be this way. And there's a part number. So after you finish, you can put the fuse back. and you can cycle the key. Cycle the key maybe 3 times. So you can have the fuel pump working, and you go down and check for any leaks. And check for any leaks. So make sure there is no leaks on both ends.